Hello guys, welcome back. I want you guys to pause the video and try to create your own address API. See whether it is the same as the one that I will create in a bit. Hint, it is exactly the same as profile API. I'm gonna wait for a bit. Actually, I'm waiting for you guys actually. I'm still waiting. Time's up. I'm going to create another API. I'm gonna copy and paste profile API and change some of the codes to fit the address API. So it's gonna be the same, copy this entire thing. But if you wanna learn, you should type it by yourself. Type it out, every single line. Paste it here and change this to address. And this one will be address. Oops, and this one will be user.address. Awesome. And here you want to remove everything except you want to do if request.body.address1 equals to user.address. It is pretty straightforward. We'll pass in the JWT middleware to check whether token does exist or not, so that we can use request.decoded user._id. Then we'll pass in the address of the user as part of the JSON body, user.address, instead of just user. For the post method, we simply check each of the request.body to see whether they are empty or not. If it is not empty, then set it to the new value, which is request.body.address1 to city, state, country, or postal code. Finally, we saved it and responds back the message in JSON format. So let's go change this to address instead. Let us test it on Postman. So let's go to Postman and copy this, paste it here, and change this to address. So let's check our PowerShell, and we gotta start the server. Connect it to the database. Alright, let's go and click send. No token provided. Again, we gotta provide the same thing like this. Authorization for header, and as well as copy this entire thing, post it here, and then send it again. True. Address is empty because we did not submit any data to address object just yet. So let's go ahead to post body, and address1 will be, change this to this one. Address1 will be awesome road. I don't know, I'm gonna come up with any good name. Awesome road 2 city united awesome state awesome road state. I know the name is really generic. And postal code 902100100. And I think that's about it, right? Let's check it again. Country, let's go back to Postman. Country will be Cuba. because I just watch, Narcos, and it's amazing TV series, so that's why. So now let's post it. Successfully edited your address, and let's go change this to get and send it one more time, and there you have it. Amazing. In this video, we learned how to create address API for both post and get. In the next section, Adam Peterson will handle the front end part. I'll see you guys in the next section.